Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Unpack the O3 facial kit and lay items within reach so you don't interrupt the flow. Clean your face thoroughly so ozone and serums penetrate. That reduces impurities and improves absorption. Put on gloves, attach the appropriate nozzle, and set the device to 0. 5-1 intensity for a short 5-7 minute run to test tolerance. Once started, watch for discomfort. If you feel stinging, lower intensity immediately, safety first. Then proceed. Now you move into the core treatment where technique matters. Apply a thin, even layer of the recommended serum so the ozone enhances delivery versus sitting on top. Turn the device to a mid-setting and perform 10-15 minute cycles. Make 2-3 gentle passes across each zone, taking 30-60 second cooling breaks to prevent irritation. Keep the tool moving in small, circular motions, don't hover in one spot, so the treatment is effective and evenly distributed. Finish by rinsing any residue gently and patting the skin dry, then apply a soothing moisturizer or SPF to protect the newly treated surface. Make sure to inspect the skin. Mild redness is normal and should subside in 30-60 minutes because circulation increased. Hydrate well afterward. If persistent burning, blistering, or widespread irritation occurs, stop using the kit immediately and seek professional advice. This is the key troubleshooting step. Don't attempt stronger settings or more frequent sessions until cleared.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.